Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a semi-final review on this fabulous suitcase and album project titled How Was Your Trip? So it's really, really cute. I showed this suitcase a while back and I completed the mini album and now I want to share that all with you. So this is featuring a super duper fabulous collection titled Hawaii Hula. This comes in an 8.5 by 11 and a 12 by 12. Here's the back of it. There's a little opening here for a photo or a note if you want to. And that also opens up in the back. You've got a top loading pocket here. It's completely finished with the jute twine. This is a 2 millimeter twine if you're curious about that. And then it opens up to reveal your mini album and a really fun pocket assembly back here. And I take you through the entire process step by step in the videos, and I give you a cutting guide so that all your pieces are cut and you can follow step by step along with the videos on how to assemble this project. So this album is a terrific size. It's a wonderful standalone album as well. Look at how gorgeous this paper is. I put some raffia in there because I thought it would be cute. I bought some for my cover and you get so much in a bundle, so I figured I'd just do that, right, and make it even more fun. So the album for this project is roughly 8 by 8. It's got a wonderful, wonderful spine size. This is completely matted, and look at all of the space you have for photos. This one is featuring my hollow hidden hinge binding system. We've got a super fabulous little insertion point here for, look at these cocktails. These are laminated so that, they have some more oomph to them, right? They're a lot more substantial. And here I just glued down a bunch of raffia and I think that's what this is called. And I put one of these fun guys on there and it turned out really pretty. I love the way that it looks. So you have a ton of room for photos. I said this is a semi-final review because I want to just show you what I did for matting. And then I'm going to zoom in for you guys a little bit. And then I'm going to come back with another video. Let me go out one. With another video to show you this album completely decorated with photo mats and all that stuff. It's easier to follow along when everything is just matted without all of the photo mats and all the stuff. I couldn't help myself in some cases. I put a few things down, but you guys get the idea. So I opened this door up for a photo. Right, and I'm going to cut another pineapple and stick it over this so it can be kind of like a little tuck behind the pineapple and keep that closed. We still have to attach this fabulous suitcase that we made. And if you're interested in the suitcase, I'll link you down below. This is in my Essentials SVG bundle where you get a bazillion amazing cuts. Okay, that's just one that's in there. So here we've got a fun little flap and pocket assembly here. I've got some of these tickets in here that are just, hanging out there for now. It's a placeholder. We've got another pocket here. This opens up and we've got this fabulous little piece here that opens. And then this just gives you a million spaces for photos. And when I say a million, I kid you not. I'm kidding, not a million, but a lot. You guys can count them if you wish. There's some tuck spaces that I left for strategic placements of embellishments. And then this pulls up. And then this one pulls down. And then you have flippity flappity all over the place and all sorts of amazing, amazing ways that you can look at this. All right. And you can turn it in all sorts of different configurations, a slit over here for some interaction. And it's just such a fun piece. And again, I take you through it step by step on how to put this together from A to Z, because there's probably more than 26 pieces in this one. All right. So that you flip that over and then you got a nice side loading pocket here. This opens up right here for some more goodies, pocket and a large area for a photo if you wish to do that. And that opens up a spot for a large area for a photo, but you'll have to wait and see how I actually decorate this because it can be it'll look completely different after this. This is why I like to show you the project in this state, because once I start adding, the pocket takes on ooh, I nearly glued this pocket shut. The project takes on a completely different life. So here is this page here with this half acetate page. And then here we have a play on my deconstructed envelope for some loose items in here. And this paper, let's talk about this paper for a minute, how absolutely gorgeous it is. There is so much here to look at. I mean, it's just beautiful. I know there's a lot of nods to Hawaii, but if you didn't want to, if you had a tropical vacation, you can easily cover these things up, like the Aloha or wherever else I may have something. You can easily cover that up if you love the collection. I don't want that to limit you to any tropical island, because it will work. Look at these pockets. So these pockets are really fun. These are what I call my stacked pockets. I have a couple of variations on stacked, but this one is also a stack. Careful, Faith. This is also a stack pocket. But the idea here is for you to be able to put 4x6 photos side by side. And you wouldn't be able to do that unless you do what I'm telling you right now, which is this variation of a stack pocket. And you'll see that all come into play once we put our photo mats into these pockets. All right, and look at this, how beautiful. There's a slit here, photos here, another one of these that open up, and I have to put something here. But look at this paper. How stunning is this? Just so beautiful. I love it. So in love with it. It's just so much fun. It's a belly band and pocket here, large area for a nice portrait. And then here we've got an acetate envelope, and then we have another stack pocket, but different. I gotta find these should be overlapping pockets, right? Those should be overlapping pockets, and this is a stack pocket. So get it right, Kathy. Get it right. All right, so I'm gonna rename that to overlapping pockets. And then we finish it up with this pocket here that flips down, then this here, this one here, and then this flips down, and then you've got this really giant envelope in the back where you can house a ton of goodies. Apparently a ton is my favorite word, but you can house quite a bit of goodies. Then that flips over, and you've got an inside cover pocket and this wonderful area for a portrait photo or whatever it turns out to be once I'm done with the matting process. So how was your trip? Album and suitcase project is on my website right now. Let me know what you think about this project. If you love what you see on this channel, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know you stopped by to check out the project. And yes, Faith says to give us a thumbs up. Thank you, Faith. I'll see you all in the next one. Good job, Mama.